Hello and welcome to this Blender tutorial about how to make a painting. So first you select the cube, and same as we did with the TV, we go S, Y, S, Z. There we go. Now object mode, edit mode, face select, select first face, E, right click, I, inset it a little bit. Alright, it's not letting me inset. Alright, there we go. Now press the face, E, extrude it. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna press K for knife tool, and then we're gonna make a little nice little mountain range. There we go, and then make sure to add these little tops. It adds a nice little thing. You can always do something else if you want. Enter. So now let's hit this one. Go into materials. Where's materials? Right there. And then, yep, that's white. So let us plus. So one for the mountain, one for the sky, and one for the grass. So new mountain, new. No. Alright, so now new sky. So turquoise, and then new green for grass. So then now let's assign this, whoops, K, knife tool, there we go, and then alright, so now K, enter. So now let us shift, select this a little bit, and then click assign, and then click this, click assign, click this, click assign, and then I'm gonna go K, there, enter, and then I'm gonna go click this, assign, wait, oh no, assign, there we go. Now we have a little painting, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into object mode, and then there we go. And if you want, let's see, will it destroy it? I'm guessing so, but if it doesn't, then that's cool. Then so, oh, okay, so now let us use this brown, and then we'll use this white, and then in edit mode, this, and this. Click assign, and then this will become white. There you go. Now you have a nice painting. Please like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.